My name is Aditi Gupta. My roll number is JL19PG007. I was born and brought up in Lakhimpur Kheri. I did my graduation in BCom Honours from Institute of Management Sciences, University of Lucknow. Currently, I am pursuing PGDM in Marketing and Finance from Jaipuria Institute of Management, Lucknow. Now talking about my internship, the major objective of my study is to identify how consumer-generated online feedback influence potential travelers' hotel booking intention and to develop in-depth understanding of online reviews and how external factors affect the hotel industry as well as OYO. This entire study is done under the guidance of Professor Ankit Mehrotra sir. This study was majorly divided into two parts. Firstly, I was asked to do the hotel industry analysis as well as company analysis, that is of OYO. Under this, I did the SWOT analysis, Porter's 5 forces model, and pestle analysis, and also identified the impact of COVID-19 on hotel industry as well as on OYO. Accordingly, I have prepared the contingency plan and sustainability report of hotel industry. Under second part, I have conducted research, survey, and then the data analysis part. I did exploratory research method to accomplish my objective. I have collected data from two sources. Firstly, primary source through structured data, and I have collected secondary data through various research papers like ResearchGate, IBISCO, and Google Scholar. I have used convenient sampling method, which is a non-probability sampling method. For this purpose of research, I have designed a questionnaire on Google Form. It is based on pre- and post-purchase intention, which includes 50 questions. Total 175 response has been collected through online survey, and this data is analyzed through SPSS software. I have successfully accomplished 3 analyses, namely frequency analysis, cross-tab analysis, and chi-square test. Now talking about my findings, when judging a hotel on its online reviews, people are likely to pay attention on various factors like overall star rating, recency, quantity, length, brevity, and response to reviews by hotels. Now based on my findings, here are some of the marketing strategies that they should adopt. Go above and beyond in customer service before, during and after their stay, remarketing like pop-up phone notification, responding to reviews efficiently, and advertise on meta search engines. Now there are some of my learnings. Travel and hospitality sector is going to be most affected because until a vaccine or treatment comes up, people are not going on a flight or a train. The Indian government has allowed 100% FDI on hospitality sector. OYO will be most affected as compared to other high-class hotels because post-COVID people will be more conscious about their health and safety. Now talking about my recommendations for government, government should provide a moratorium of 6 to 12 months on all loans, ensure that credit rating agency do not downgrade their ratings, and annual renewable of licenses paid in for 2020 should be extended till the end of 2021 without any extra charges. Thank you.